I've just been prototyping what I'm gonna have at the auto show. I think I'll have this digital twin here. Here's the information about our 4-liter V8. It's adventure ready with some protective equipment. It's got a low range and full-time 4-wheel drive. So here it is, and you can see all the green items are kind of the adventure ready protection. We can grab here where that hand is and pull that right off. You can look underneath here. And however you spin your hand is how this object's gonna move. If you want, you can grab it with 2 hands and you can shrink it, twist it, rotate it. And then anytime you want to let go, you just open your hands. So now we can see that drivetrain inside there, and we can also see this red winch. And that red winch is going to be actually situated where it goes in the vehicle, and then I'll be able to talk about the wiring routes to the battery and the relocation kit. You can press this white button and it'll reset. And then the real vehicle will be here, and you'll see it in the real life. Let's go try it out on the real truck down in the alley. Alright, I'm just finishing up for the auto show. I'm gonna make this wiring line go just a little bit further here. And I've got this X-ray shield that I'm gonna put around this. Then I'll mention the hidden winch, and then we can tell them to look at that winch.